He wants to be pistol.
Are you allowed to smoke?
Yeah.
You should, right?
It's a street.
On the street, exactly. Come on, what? What do you want to do?
Let's go closer.
You can't go closer. Stop crying. YouTube's going to hear you.
Lipstick on.
YouTube always hates her.
True. Pretty fireworks. What color is that, Amber? What color is it? Oh, a circle. Did you see that one, Amber? Did you see the pretty circle?
Everyone's leaving.
Amber, did you see it? Stop crying or we're going to go home. You want to go home? Jenny, record. Point up.
Amber, you're going home, Amber.
She's a source of one of us. Oh, where is it? There it is. Okay. Point there. Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I hate you.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm going to be closer.
Me too. Can I go in?
Yeah, no, stay with me. Stay right here.
Everyone turn around and say hi.
Yo.
Hi. Angelo!
Can't touch it.
Running a big taxi.
You got away from the something. No. Yes. You can't park on this side. The one truck right in front of it. Okay, I'm gonna take it that way. I'll see you guys later.
I'm gonna go with Nina.
No. Stay here.
I'm going with Nina.
Anybody knows me, better let me know. I don't know what he's doing.
Like what gave me away.
Thank you. It came perfect from here. Any closer, they're gonna fall on us.
How they gonna fall on us? There's fireworks. They're gonna fall on us.
If we stay right here,
No, I don't want.
right here is good. Okay.
Really?
You still recording? You still recording?
Just go that way.
Amber, how much you want to go? Look how close we are. There's too many gagés over there. How many gagés? Look how pretty. Look how pretty. What color is it? What color is it?
It's green. What is it? Red. Red is red.
Pretty. What color is that? Are you looking at the fireworks, Amber, at all?
Red is red. Green is
Look at the fireworks. What color are they? No.
blue is blue. Green is blue. Orange is orange.
Amber!
Come on, go that way and see them.
We're going to be too close then. We can't see them. We're going to be underneath them.
We can't go that way.
No, we can't go that way because then I definitely can't see them. Look how pretty. I brought you to have fun, daughter, not to walk around. Look, look, look. Ooh. Oh, you're missing it, Amber. Look how pretty. They're beautiful.
I'll go that way.
Hey, wait. Hey, Amber, where are you? Where are you?
Yes, I can do it.
Kelly, we're on the beach.
Where are we? Where are we, Amber?
Why can't we be in the
All right, Nina, where are we? Doing what? Oh, whoops, sorry. Sorry.
No, you really want to come this way? Now we're here.
Well, nice that I got to turn around.
I'll take you home. I promise. I will put you in the car, Amber, and take you home. Well, then you better be good. You like them? You like them, Amber? Think they're pretty?
No, your purse is gonna get dirty.
Shut up. Ooh, look at the circles, Amber. It was eyes. That's the nose. That's the smile. That was supposed to be a yin yang, but it was an old firework.
A yin yang? What's a yin yang?
Hard to explain.
If you look that way, they're over there. And look at these ones. Look at these ones.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
What's these ones?
No.
What?
Record the fireworks, not people's heads.
Go that way. Up. Up. Up.
What?
Up. And go that way. Done.
She doesn't need to go up. It's fine. Stop rocking, then.
Alright,
Amber, there's no reason to go that way. I'll take you home if you want.
No.
Then shut up and watch fireworks.
I want to go that way.
No.
Yeah!
I didn't bring you for this. I did not bring you for this.
That way. That way.
I did not bring you for this.
I want to go that way.
Alright, dude.
This is so fun.
Take me that way.
They can't see me anyway, Jen. Get me off camera.
I'm going that way. Look at the colors. They're really pretty.
Alright, kill the camera.
kill it.
Kill the camera. Give me.
How do you kill it?
That way. That way. That way. I want to go that way.
We're going.
That way.
We're going right now, don't you see?
This way.